Hey everyone, it's Tina and welcome to the kitchen, my kitchen. I had some tortellini, which are boiling over here. You can see them, just a little tortellini soup. And I decided, I had some sausage in the fridge and I hope you guys can see, we're gonna make these really cute. I mean, this is what it looks like, but they're like little calzones, but you make them out of tortilla, burrito wraps, get? So my wrap, my calzone, is gonna have sausage, mushroom, deli peppers, vinegar peppers. Just drain it of all the liquid. I have mozzarella cheese, and I have spinach. I forgot the spinach, and just some chopped baby spinach. So you get your vegetables in there. You could also make this vegetarian and leave out the sausage. Sausage, spinach, cheese, that's good too. All right, here we go. I'm gonna show you how easy this is. So the first thing I'm gonna do, it doesn't really matter what order you do this in, just give me a thumbs up. I'm hoping you guys can see this. I think I'm gonna just angle this down a little bit like that. You guys see that? I think that's better. All right, I have this on my baking sheet and I'm taking my sausage. I'm gonna just layer that on the bottom. You don't want it too much. Just enough. I took the sausage out of the casing. I'm not sure if I said that. And then I just cooked it in the skillet. After I cooked the sausage, I cooked my mushrooms. I'm using my hands are clean. I'm gonna put some mushrooms in there. I mean, obviously you're gonna cater this to your liking. Just some sauteed white button mushrooms. And I put, we'll put some spinach. I just chopped up the baby spinach. So this, you wanna leave a border here because you're gonna fold it in. And then these are those like vinegar peppers, those deli peppers that you get. You could use roasted peppers, you could saute peppers. Put as many as you like. I like it to be colorful. All right, so I did this, I did this, I did this, I did that. Oh, and your mozzarella cheese goes right on top. Okay. So here's your wrap, right? And you're gonna spread this out a little bit. Like so, and you just want to make sure there's not a lot of liquid. I'm not using fresh mozzarella. I'm using, someone had stranded, oh no, I'm looking to see who is there. Hi Andrea, I saw a bunch of you jump on, so I just wanted to say hi. Oh my gosh. So, you don't want this to get like oversaturated with liquid. Because this will get soggy, right? Because it's low moisture mozzarella, like a shredded mozzarella, not a fresh mozzarella. All right, and I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do before I roll this? I'm gonna show you this real quick. So in here, because I wanna do this like right before I roll it, so I'm gonna show you this first. What I have here is some olive oil, and I'm gonna put some of this, you can even put grated cheese in here if you want, but I'm gonna put like a few pinches of grated cheese, and I'm gonna do this right on let me just pop this over here. I just don't want to ruin my tablecloth. So I'm basically gonna I didn't have this set up right. I just want to chop up some parsley, and I'm gonna put that in the oil, and we're gonna use this as the coating for the wrap. I'm not really doing a great job here. My knife and my board are not meeting well together here. That's it. I'm not a fancy chopper. Just enough to like coat the outside. So a little fresh parsley. I am the worst pampered chef representative in the world, but I'm going to show you. Here is my clove of garlic. I did not take the peel off. This is pretty cool actually. I'm going to put it in this garlic press. And what I'm going to do is, if you guys can see, watch this. Super cool. The garlic goes right into but look, it actually, let me just move my knife here a second. Just gonna put that in there. So you don't even have to peel it. It peels it for you while it's inside of the little press there. It's pretty cool. All right, so we're just making like a little garlic oil, and I'll use my Pampered Chef silicone brush, but we're just going to brush this a little bit on the outside. I'll show you that in a second. I just wanted to have it ready. You could do 2 cloves if you like it a little more garlicky. You could put a little garlic salt in there too, but I think the cheese is salty enough. All right, So I'm just gonna, my tortilla is a little dry because I've been trying to set this up for a little while. I was having a little bit of trouble getting logged on. And then I have this on parchment. I really just brush this with the oil and carefully flip it over, and I'm gonna brush the inside here so it kind of sticks. Brush this, brush it all over. Everything's cooked, right? So it doesn't need to cook, just, you know, nothing inside really needs to cook. You're just warming the burrito and making a nice little neat package, right? And you would want, obviously make a few more and line this up, and this goes right into the oven. So those are my, I guess like calzone type pizza wraps, stromboli, calzone, whatever you call it. Super easy to make. And like I said, we're gonna have these with our tortellini soup, and that's it. So guys, thanks for joining me. I will put the recipe up and some pictures. 20-25 minutes. It's great for a night like tonight when you weren't expecting a lot of snow. And that's it. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Don't forget, ChefTeeny.com. Recipes are on.